Project Blue, with collaboration with Purex and Odobac as our chemical-free solution, is a win-win-win scenario for us. It's better health for our staff, better working environment for our clients and their employees, and it's altogether a more sustainable solution.
We have an excellent collaboration between our client Engie and their other provider 2Pure.
This collaboration is really one about an innovator in Engie really going to town with innovations like Odobac and Purex.
The product Purex has come solely from tap water. What happens on site is we install a filtration cabinet and it's connected to mains incoming water. It goes through 7 stages of microfiltration before the product is embellished to create the Purex.
Odobac's a unique composition. It's a patented product and it works unlike any conventional cleaning product out there in the marketplace. It had to be completely safe and completely green or it couldn't be used in its purpose it was intended to.
We are producing the product on site, which is an efficiency because we're reducing carbon footprint. We're eliminating packaging waste because we're not using cardboard boxes or plastic containers to send to site. We are also providing with the Purex a recycled plastic bottle, which is also recyclable. So again, we're cutting out waste at that point as well.
With Odobac, because it leaves no residue, this means shorter cleaning times, faster cleaning and better results. Basically, Odobac reduces chemical exposure because it's not really a chemical, it's a new concept. So there is no hazard safety warnings whatsoever on the product. It's not subject to COSH, and so it's extremely safe to use.
Purex is completely chemical free. There is no chemical elements to it whatsoever.
We have COSH for everything we use on site. Previously, my COSH file was this size. We use 2 main products on site now. We use Odobac and we use Purex. Our COSH system is now this big.
And in the past, as you can see on the left-hand side, the space we're now utilising for uniform used to be used for storing chemicals. Now we're chemical-free, as you can see Purex and Odobac, they're making such a fantastic difference to our operation on site, making it more slick, more environmentally friendly, and therefore we utilise a lot less space.
And the efficiencies come from the fact that the product is very, very easy to use. There is no COSH requirements for it. It's not hazardous to health. It's also actually a lot quicker to use in operation because of the way the product is formulated. It actually evaporates after use, so when you're cleaning glass, for example, which could smear or streak, it doesn't leave any residue at all and it evaporates off, so it makes the operation much more efficient too.
Finding the solution for chemical-free has had a massive impact on our staff.
We are not only creating a cleaner workspace because it's chemical-free, but we're also improving the health and well-being of the operatives because there's reduced risk.
In fact, we have evidence that shows that when you're cleaning with Odobac, outbreaks of things like diarrhea and vomiting are greatly reduced.
My condition I have is COPD, but I found when we used to use chemicals, I used to always have to take my inhaler after I'd done the toilets and used the chemicals in various places. But I found now, since we used a new system, it's a lot better. I don't have to use my inhaler at all, and I feel a lot better in my breathing, and it's improved my health.
Before we used to have to squirt chemicals, and they used to go in your chest, and now we just use chemical-free, and it's a lot better.
Since we've engaged with Purex and with Odobac, our solution has become much more efficient, much more user-friendly for the end user. So our cleaning operatives are no longer exposed to chemicals, nor will be our clients who's sat at a desk or working in the environment. So therefore it's a win-win for everybody.
Engie are working on Project Blue to deliver chemical-free cleaning in the UK completely by 2022. And that's our goal, to work alongside to achieve this.
And there's no reason why we can't use that collaboration on a global scale.
In terms of replication, it can be replicated worldwide very, very easily, and we've proven without doubt that these products work and work well and efficiently.
This collaboration between Engie, Odobac and Purex is a win-win-win scenario.